How to add business checking to Chase Mobile app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Chase and then log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, select the person icon in the top right corner. Tap on Profile and Settings. Under the account settings, choose Manage Linked Accounts. Tap on Show My Accounts. A list of your eligible relationships and associated accounts will appear. Choosing a link to relationship will also link all accounts associated with it. Once again, tap on Link Relationship to confirm. Well, you'll receive a confirmation messages when you have successfully linked your account. Then you have to select Go Paperless to update paperless settings on the linked relationship. Once it is done, your linked relationships will now appear together on your account overview dashboard. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add business checking to Chase Mobile app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.